Hi friends, Dirk here, and yes, this is my new camera and I couldn't be more excited. You will not believe what it is. No, it's not the S1 II, it's not the S1 IIe either. So what is it? The S1R II, brutally honest, was the biggest failure in my camera purchase history ever. Short reasons why. Well, as a photo camera, when you don't have subject recognition on, the focus tracking is horrible. As a video camera, you never get to finish a project because it shuts down on you due to overheating. It's great on paper, but just on paper. And that's why this morning I sold it on eBay and I already shipped it off. All right, and here it is. I'm like a kid in a toy shop. Ta-da! It is the Lumix S5 II. And here's the best part about it. I bought it at the original Panasonic store, and we have currently a summer sale going on in the United States. So I got this camera for $1,600. Yes, hard to believe, but true. So I had to take it. Not only the S5 II was on sale, also the S9 is currently there available for $1,300, because in the end, this is pretty much all I need. For what I do, for my YouTube videos, this is more than sufficient. I always wanted a camera with a full frame sensor, a camera with a viewfinder, and a camera that was reliable. Because here's the thing, with the S1R II, when I was standing in front of the camera, I was completely stressed out because in the back of my head, I always thought, I have to finish this take very fast because otherwise the camera will shut down on me. And when you have such a stress, such a pressure in the back of your head, you can't be creative. This experience humbled me and got me to realize that what I really need is something that is working, functioning, and gets the job done versus something that looks great on paper. And if you're asking me why the S5 II and not the S5 IIX, well, again, for my YouTube videos, this offers the perfect codecs and resolutions, and I don't need any more or any better. That's perfectly fine for YouTube. And the best part, because of the summer sale specials, after buying the S5 II, I had so much money left over from the sale of my S1R II that I was able to pick up an additional S9 for $1,300 on top, and that will arrive on Friday. And then, friends, I think I have the perfect setup. Given the specs and given the price, I believe that this could be the best purchase decision I've ever made in a camera. Now, what do you think? Did I make a good decision? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll definitely respond. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.